words.
Open. Close. Open. Wall. Right. Up. Down. Open. Right. Hi, I am Shenshita. I am Fazan. I am telling sir. I went to the zoo, eat mom and dad, asking God, where is the head? I say a lion, walking tiger car, without any fear, big good heart. I went to the zoo, eat mom and dad, asking God, where is the head? I say a lion, bad neck. I say a giraffe, long neck. I went to the zoo, with mom and dad, asking God, where is the hat? I say a bear, thick hat. I say a monkey, made of soft. I went to the zoo, with mom and dad, asking God, where is the hat? Thank you. My name is Edric. My name is Edric. My name is Edric. One baby turtle. One baby turtle. Alone and two. 5, 6, 7. They are two. Two baby turtles. Go down to the sea. They fly another. They are three. Three baby turtles. Go on the shore. They fly another. They are four. Four baby turtles. Go for a dive. Up since another. They are five. Thank you. Hi everyone, my name is Sana. I'm studying first class. My school name is Vikas English Medium High School. Today I am telling about school. School is big. I go to school every day. My teachers are kind. I have many friends at school. I love my school. Thank you. Hi, Rakshit is in first class because English Medium High School. Today we'll telling healthy food. Healthy food good for us. Makes us strong. Fruits and vegetables good for us. You eat fresh food on time. Thank you. Hi, I am Binusri. Hi, I am Jeevan. I am telling you, she was. Mommy, she. Daddy, he. Auntie, she. Uncle, he. Sister, she. Brother, he. Cow, she. Bull, he. Queen, she. Queen. King, he. Thank you. Hi. I am Rehan. We are telling some jargons. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. Eyes to eyes, ears to ears, to see, ears to ears, nose to smell, tongue to taste, skin to touch. Thank you. Hi, good morning. I am Srijita. I am studying first class. our school name is Because English Medium High School. I am telling body parts. Head, forehead, eyes, eyebrows, eyeballs, eyelids, cheese, chin, lips, teeth, mouth, tongue, nose, ears, throat, neck, shoulders, arm, hand, palm, finger.